How's it going, guys? Figured today I'd do a little video on tearing down the Dramcast remotes. They're real easy to do. Just a couple of screws, and you got your control pads. They'll go down there. The magnets on the back stick to the point, so whenever you apply pressure, it activates them. And this is the one for the start button. Just give you a look at what they look like. The triggers, they stay on the housing, and that's your BMU port. And these are all what the buttons look like out of it. Your joystick will just snap right back on there. You just got a little area you got to turn it, and that's where you read your BMU from. That's what the shell looks like. That's what the back looks like. A lot of scrubbing to get down in there and get all that sweat and grime out of there. Here's your BMU port, all sparkly and clean. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Peace out from Texas.